1954 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Price: $40,000 US. Location: Miami, Florida. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible is the kind of classic American cruiser that instantly steals the spotlight. Finished in a brilliant bright red exterior with a matching red interior, this vintage icon perfectly captures the style and optimism of the 1950s. Whether it's parked at a classic car show or cruising along the coast with the top down, this Bel Air delivers timeless charm that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts from around the world. The biggest highlight of this Bel Air is its beautiful white power convertible top, which has been upgraded with a brand new motor and hydraulic hoses for smooth operation. The trunk pan has also been replaced, adding value to the restoration. Combined with the gleaming chrome trim and unmistakable Chevrolet styling, this convertible offers an unforgettable driving experience that blends nostalgia with open-air freedom. The seller didn't stop with cosmetic improvements. The entire electrical system has been modernized using a painless 21-circuit wiring harness running from front to back, significantly improving reliability. Modern LED rear lights enhance safety, while a Dakota digital dashboard provides accurate, easy-to-read gauges without sacrificing the classic appearance. These thoughtful upgrades make the car far more enjoyable for today's roads while preserving its vintage personality. Showing approximately 54,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, this Bel Air is described as a dependable driver rather than a flawless showpiece. The seller openly mentions older patchwork on the floor pans and previous body repairs on the rear quarter panels, giving buyers an honest look at its condition. That transparency is refreshing and makes this classic an appealing option for someone who wants a beautiful cruiser instead of a museum-only collectible. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air represents one of the most recognizable chapters in American automotive history. Its graceful body lines, chrome accents, and convertible design continue to inspire generations of classic car fans. Finding one with tasteful modern upgrades while maintaining its original spirit is becoming increasingly rare, making this example especially attractive for collectors. The seller is also open to interesting trade offers, including G-body cars, two-door Cadillacs, lowriders, or even boats, while specifically excluding trucks, motorcycles, and pre-1994 door vehicles. That flexibility could create a unique opportunity for buyers looking to swap into an iconic classic without completing a traditional purchase. If you've always dreamed of owning a genuine 1950s American convertible, this 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air deserves a closer look. With its eye-catching red finish, upgraded electrical system, power convertible top, and honest driver quality condition, it offers the perfect balance of classic style and modern usability.